Hello, my followers. Hello, my listeners. I want to show you how to add your nickname on your Facebook account. First, open your Facebook like that. On the upper parts, on the right parts, there is these small lines, 3 lines. Click on them like that. Then scroll downward on settings and privacy. Click settings and privacy. Then click on settings. On settings, click on personal and account information like this. Then on your name, click on it. Then after clicking on your name, you can add a nickname, a birth name, etc. So it is on the other names part. You click there. Then add your name. Let me assume my nickname is Test. That is it. Then click here for it to be shown on top of profile. After that, you click save. And that is all. When you look at your paragraph, you know that your name will be like this. Or you can go back to your Facebook account, then look at your profile. You know that the name that I've added as my nickname has already been displayed. Thank you for listening. If you have enjoyed my tutorial, for you to be updated on any tutorial I post to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Thank you for listening. Thank you all. Bye.